Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your device supports Apple Intelligence and updating to the latest iOS or iPadOS. This avoids compatibility problems. Next, open Settings, grant camera and Siri permissions so visual features can access the sensor. Once done, go to Siri and search, find Apple Intelligence and toggle it on. You do this early because permissions and updates are required for camera control. Make sure to sign into your Apple ID if prompted, since system features often rely on your account. Now focus on camera app integration. Open Camera and accept any Apple Intelligence prompts so the feature can analyze scenes. Then, go back to Settings, tap Apple Intelligence and select Visual Intelligence to configure preferences like scene suggestions, live labels, and privacy controls. Once you enable camera control gestures and contextual suggestions, the system can propose framing, lighting tips, and on-screen controls. Make sure to review privacy toggles to limit data use. This keeps analysis. Finish by testing camera control in real scenarios. Point at text, faces, or low-light scenes and watch for live suggestions and framing cues. If suggestions don't appear, restart your device and toggle Apple Intelligence off and on. This often resets sensors and services. If problems persist, reset camera and Siri privacy permissions in Settings and regrant access. That resolves many permission conflicts. One key troubleshooting tip: check screen time or device profiles that can block features, because corporate restrictions often prevent Apple Intelligence from running.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.